Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel iTech Analytics Solutions. This is the complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is our 33rd video of this series, and in this video we'll learn about the format functions. In our previous video we had just seen only about the basic format functions, so in this video we'll have more format functions. So first let's understand what these format functions are. Format functions converts a value into text according to the specified format. The format function in DAX is actually used to convert a values like date, number into a specific format as a string, and it is particularly useful for customizing the display of numbers and dates in Power BI reports. So I have a list of format functions here, whether they are predefined or we can also use some characters here to change the formats. So I'll be explaining about how we can actually use the format function for date as well as for numbers. So first what we'll do is we'll go to our Power BI window, that is Power BI desktop. Here already I have one table here where I have order date, sales and discount, three different columns, and we can use this for converting the formats of date or the numbers. First, let's go to this date. We have this format and we have the pre-defined formats. For example, I want to change the date into a general date. So what we'll do, we'll go here and we'll say table tools. We'll take new column. When you click on this new column, we'll get a new column here. And we'll just say predefined date. This is general date equals format. It'll ask for the value, let's say we'll take order date, comma, it'll ask for the format, we'll just say general date. So I'll just press enter, general spelling, enter. You can see that the date will get converted to a general format and this will be text. Now suppose I want this to be a long date. Let's go here. I'll take one more new column and we'll say date underscore, we'll say long date, format order date, comma, and I'll specify long date, enter. Now you can see we get the long date exactly almost similar to this format, but this is actually a text. Next is medium date. Now let's go here, new column, and we'll take medium date, pre-date underscore medium date. Format, it asks for the value. Let's take order date, comma, and then we'll say medium date, close bracket, press enter. You can see we'll get the medium date. So these are various different formats. Next is short date. Let's say I want to convert the date into short date. Let me just click on this new column. And then we'll take the format as short date this time. These are all predefined formats equals format order date, comma, we'll say short date, enter. So this will give me a short date like this. So these are all predefined formats. Otherwise, we also have custom formats as well. Say we have D, M and Y. D is for day, M is for month, Y is for year. Suppose if you want to use this D, M and Y, we can use something like this. Let me just click on this new column. And let me say this as custom format. Custom format. And I want to get the format order date as my value, comma. It will ask for the format. I'll just type only D. You can see that I've taken only D. So this will give me the single digit or say something like this. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever date is there, that will give something like this. Suppose if I use DD and say enter, you can see this will be 2 digits 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 in that format. So D is for the day or the the single digit day, or it can also take the name of that particular day. Now if I say 3D, this will give me the short form of the weekday, you can see here. And suppose if I give one more D, this will be the full name of the week name. Let's say TDD. So you can see that I'm getting the full name. Similarly, we can have the month name as well, or the month digit as well. Let me click on this new column. And then instead of D, I'll use M now, which is nothing but the month. Function, say custom format, and this time we'll say month. Format, it'll ask for the value, I'll say order date, comma, it'll ask for the format, I'll say M. If you say enter, you can see we'll get a single digit month number. Now I'll go here and I'll type MM and say enter. You can see 2 digit number. One more M, say enter. You can see the short abbreviated name of the month. And if I give one more M, that is 4M, then you will get the complete name. So likewise, we can use DM, and if you want the year, you can use Y as well. Suppose if you want to combine all of them, let me just click on this new column. And then we'll take cust format equals format of order date, comma. Let me take DD, that is for the date, MMM, then YY, 4 Ys, that will give me the complete year. If you want hyphen or slash or whatever, you can give. Along with that, I'll also give the day like this. Enter. See, we'll get this format. So likewise, we can use the format for date. Similarly, I have the same thing for the numbers as well. You can see we have general number, like what we have this general date. Similarly, we have general number, then we have percent, and then standard. Let's work on the number column. Say for example, now I have this sales. I want to convert this into a general format. Let me just say new column, and then we'll give, this is predefined for the numbers. Let's say pre-format, and this is for general number. Format, I'll take sales column, comma, general number, close bracket, say enter. You can see the sales will be converted to the general number like this. No thousand separators, nothing. Now suppose I want to convert this into standard format. The same sales column, let's take it and we'll convert that into standard format. See, pre format, and then this will be standard. Format will take sales, comma, and we'll say standard. Enter. So this will convert to standard format. See, with 1000 separators. But this will be again, it's a text format. Suppose I have one number, say discount. I want to convert this into percentage. Let me say new column. And then we can use percent for converting the values into percentage. Say pre format underscore percent. I'm just giving the column name as percent format. Then we'll take discount, comma, and then we'll take it as percent. Close bracket, enter. You can see the column discount will get the output as percentage. See, something like this. These are all predefined, that is general, percent, and standard. You can also have the custom formats. Say for example, I want percentage without decimal and with decimal. So what we'll do, we'll go here, new column, and then we'll give the percentage. Say custom format. Format will take discount, comma. So this time I'll give the custom format. I'll use this 0 and a percentage. I'll say enter. You can see that this will be without a decimal. Okay, I'm sorry. Custom format will take it as percent. I think already there is one column with that name. Right, see, this will get converted to without decimals. Now let's say I want decimals. I'll just go here. I'll give one decimal and two decimals. You can see that now I'll get the result as two decimals. So we'll get two decimals. Alright, similarly, we can also have this for numbers. Suppose I want without 1000 separators, I'll just say 0.0 or 0.00, which will get converted into numbers. Same thing we have for 1000 separators. You know this, in Excel also we have the similar format, hash and 0, which is actually the placeholders for the values. So hash will take all the numbers and 0 will take including 0. This hash will not take the 0. Let's say we'll go and we'll work on this. Say for example, new column, I want 1000 separators, and then let's say we'll take it as custom format and we'll say number. Format will take sales value, comma, I'll use hash, comma, hash, which is nothing but the placeholder for the numbers. 0 is a placeholder for 0. I'll say .00, close bracket, say enter. You can see that we'll get the value, the output as 1000 separators like this. Suppose if you have a negative value, so we can give a negative value like this. Since we don't have negative value here, so we might not be able to get the results. But if you think you have a negative value, so you can use this negative value, which will be like the positive value, and here I have a semicolon, and this format is for the negative value. Same thing we can do for percentage as well. Say 0.0 percentage, which is positive, a colon, semicolon, and we have this negative form. So likewise, we can use the formats. So this notepad, I'll be posting it in our Telegram channel. So you just be a member of that particular channel. So what happens is this notes, whatever is there, the materials you can download and you can use it for your references. Alright, so this is about the format function. So I've just explained all the different way of using these formats. In the previous video, we just had only one example. So here I'm showing you more examples. So this we'll be learning about how we can use this in the reports as well in our coming videos. Alright, so as I told you, this is about the format functions, and people, if you are looking for a better career in data analytics and data science, please do contact us with the number given on screen and the email ID which are mentioned here. And also visit our website www.itasinc.in, wherein you have a lot of information about data analytics and data science, and also you have many courses which you can enroll and learn lot many skills. You can get lot skills in data analytics and data science. And also please don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. The links have been given in the description below. So use those links and please do follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. I hope you like this video, and please give a like and thumbs up, and also give your suggestions and comments if any in the comment box. And don't forget to share this video so that many others who are actually willing to learn about the DAX complete series, they'll also get benefited. So please do share this who is in need of this DAX series. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next